Hi guys, this is Deepika from itexperience.com. Before starting with the review, I would like you guys to check out this commercial that we made for Goodies. Well, it's not that professional, but I think it's a good start. Okay, let's talk about Goodies Blues earphones. It retails for $79.99 and I will give the link to Amazon's cheapest offering down below. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the earphones. It comes with 4 pair of basic silicone ear tips and a carrying pouch. The earbuds are pretty big and old-fashioned. But what I really like is the 4-feet cloth cord. I mean, it seems more durable than the plastic ones. As you can see, the S4i plastic cord has already been damaged and it has not been very long. So I don't have to worry about this thing happening with the cloth cord. It has a microphone and 3 buttons which allow you to control your music and your call. They are very responsive and I didn't have a problem using them. At last, you have a 3.5mm straight jack. So overall, it does not look very attractive but it seems durable. And talking about the comfort, the earphones are not comfortable. And especially for someone like me who uses earphones 24/7, it's definitely a big issue. And you definitely can't run with these on. And even on bed when you're listening to music, it does come off pretty easy. So coming to the sound quality, let's start with the bass. Well, they say that they have used natural wood to enhance the bass. Well, one thing's for sure, they got the wood from the best place. Because I being a bass lover, Goodies blew my mind off. I mean, the bass does overpower the other instruments, but still, it sounds amazing. And the bass in S4i is much less than in the Goodies. The clarity is average. The vocals do not sound the best, but it's not bad either. But one thing I would like to mention is that I did not notice any harshness that I noticed in the S4i. So one thing that really disappointed me the most was the instrument separation. I mean, whenever I was listening to any song, I always felt that I was missing out something. Especially when I heard the same song with other top earphones. And the isolation was better than I expected it would be. So to sum it up, I would advise these earphones to the bass lovers who do not want to spend more than $100. I mean, I appreciate the S4i for the clarity and the value of money, but Goodies have definitely replaced it for me. Okay guys, so as we had promised, we have loads of stuff to give away. Except for the 2 earphones, we have a couple of iPod Touch 4 cases and iPhone 4 cases. The rules are really simple. All you have to do is be subscribed, like and favorite this video and comment for the product that you want. You can comment for all the products. To win Goodies Blues earphones, comment Blues your comment. To win Goodies Sport earphones, comment Sport your comment. To win FlexiGrip Edge by InGear for iPhone 4, comment Grip your comment. To win Jazzy Case by InGear for iPhone 4, comment Jazzy your comment. To win iPod Touch 4 case by A-Case, comment A-Case your comment. And to win iPod Touch 4 case by Pinlow, comment Pinlow your comment. Okay guys, so if you have any other queries related with these earphones, kindly comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay guys, so this was Deepika from itexperience.com and thank you for watching the video. These earphones to bass lovers who do not spend... The vocals do not sound bad. The clarity is average. The clarity is average. The vocals
do not sound the best, but they sound.
And if you have any other questions related with earphones, okay, if